Literally anybody that's in the creative industry, this is a place for them to come and just work together. My name is Louis Short. I'm the owner of Ryte Studios and the Creation Station. Ryte Studios is a photography and videography production company. The Creation Station is it's a home for people to come and collectively create together. Creative people typically create better things when they're working together as opposed to alone. The world has shifted from traditional marketing to influencer and social media marketing. So this is basically a place for them to practice their skills, develop new skills, network with other creatives, and just, build something great. We obviously have a creative space with different sets for people to work with. We also offer a state-of-the-art editing room where we have computers, monitors, filming equipment that the members can use to create their content. When I first started this journey, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I just had like an idea, and I was just kind of like running around like a chicken with my head cut off, so to speak. DUQUesne SBDC really taught me how to like focus in and create an actual path to get everything done, and really just made it possible for me to be successful and for this to all happen. They helped me figure out what a business plan was because I had no idea about that. They helped me put together like a 3-year financial statement, which I didn't know even existed really, and just gave me the confidence and support system that I needed to figure everything out for the first time and put it into action. SBDC really helped me understand moving forward how I can grow the business. Big thing was the marketing. I thought just posting on social media would be the golden ticket to getting people to know what it is. But there's so much more than that. It's very in-depth process. I would definitely recommend SBDC to all of the business owners that I know, current and new.